All right. Save Club, legit, scam. What's the deal, man? Why do I have so much dang yellow on? And do I like Hummer military vehicles? You bet your sweet ass I do. All right. Legit, scam. I love the videos. I have a good time just searching, through YouTube now and then and just see what comes up when, if you just type in Save Club. Okay, Save Club review, presentation, tutorial. All right, what's the deal? All right, is it a scam? Is it legit? What's fascinating is half of the legit or scam videos, they haven't even joined. Okay, they don't even have $20 to even see what the hell Save Club is. They just make a video bashing it, and then they say, well, with my research, my opportunity's better. And I can guarantee you 99.9% of the time, it's not. Okay, I think it's desperate. It's weak. It means your ass is broke. You need to do scam videos. Okay, I get it. Mine, I'm going to show you the back office, the performance, the money that I've made. Okay, if I don't make any money, you know how you can tell? I don't make any damn videos and I'm doing something else. Okay, honestly, and you'd be the same way. Okay, you want to put some time and energy, obviously, into any business. But after a while, you can tell, okay, it's just not for me. Or is that opportunity juicy, meaty, thick, long, and satisfying like a Snickers bar? All right, you put a Snickers in the fridge, they're even good. You freeze them, yum. Or you can dice them up, high karate, and just snack on those little Snickers for an hour or two, and they're just awesome, aren't they? Well, I want any opportunity that I'm involved in to be just as juicy and yummy as a Snickers in the fridge, okay? You've heard this term, you can put lipstick on a pig, you can put a little sugar on some turds, but, at the end of the day, you might like making out with pigs. Okay, there's people that are into that. And you might like snacking on turds with sugar, but most people say no. Okay, you watch my videos, you're going to get a lot of smart assness, but you can bet your butt. All right, if something's legit, I'm going to let you know. If it's a scam, I'm going to let you know. And right now, I just hope that you watch this video. Maybe, I don't know, let's just go 10, 12 minutes. Okay, I just want to share my screen a little bit. Now, if you have not joined yet, you need to see how, I guess, most of us, and I sure hope that if you're watching me, that you copy exactly what I do. Okay, because it seems to work, and I'll show you why. Okay, everything I do is relatively cheap as well. Now, I want you to at least go and click ilovesaveclub.com because you're going to be taken to a page, and I'm going to show you, and you're going to watch a video, and you're going to see the founder. His name is Charles. Good guy. Seems cool. I think he might live in Vegas. It seems like he's based out of Vegas on a lot of his presentations in his pre-launch videos, okay? But anyway, I want you to go through the whole process. And you can look into this thing before joining, all right? So you can make up your mind, hey, is it legit? Is it a scam? Okay? I don't bait and switch. At the end of this video, don't worry. There's no upsells. There's no nothing. I just hope that I give you enough, I guess, information if you want to join or not, okay? ilovesaveclub.com. It's going to take you to this page right here. Now, this is included when you pay $60. 320s, guys. Okay? So if there's other scam videos and some tight ass doesn't have enough money to even join to do research about Save Club, all right, please just move on. It means their asses are broke. Okay? They're just trying to bait and switch you. I do not do that. This is your capture page. This is where you capture information, hopefully your information or other people. But here's that video. I want you to click it. It's just a YouTube video. It's about 6 minutes. It's our founder, Charles. I like to call him Charlie. Okay. Now, put contact information in here. Don't worry, no one's calling you. No one's dinging your credit card. But if you want to join, you need to fill this out and hit the orange button that says Secure My Position Now. You will get one email per day for 30 days about Save Club. Now, if you want to opt out, go to the bottom. It says unsubscribe. You will never hear from me or Save Club again. Okay? There's no scamming. There's no bullshit. I can't swear. There is no selling of the list. Okay, I have over 160,000 emails right now of people that want to do business opportunity things. All right, I don't share my list. I don't sell it. If I have something worth a darn, I like to email those folks because they were kind enough to get a hold of me first and ask me, is there anything out there that's interesting? I think this is interesting. Okay, proof, go to my YouTube channel. You'll see every day me do, God, I'll probably do 3 to 7 videos regarding this opportunity per day. I can't get that time back. Guys, my average video can be 5, 10, 15, sometimes 20 to 30, depending if it's a video, just a presentation, or a webinar where I really go and show you the back office and everything else. Okay, you go to ilovesaveclub.com. It bounces you to this page. This is what I want you to do if you go ahead and join as well, okay? Watch the video, put some information in there. Now, if you want to join, guys, all you got to do is log in, okay? You're going to put your username and password by going to saveclub.com. Okay, let's just go to the home page real quick. There you go. Just read the page, all right? And, you can always freeze this video and you can kind of see. I'm not going to take 20, 30 minutes of your time. I want to do this in about 10, 11 minutes. Okay, access my deals. You can see people that are nice enough to pre-enroll or join. Okay, my membership. You want to join by the month? $19.97. Sorry, guys, I was off 2 pennies. Okay, right now I'm saving hundreds of dollars a month already, just on a $20 investment, minus 3 cents. Okay, your membership can also be by the year. If you want to join for all 12 months, do it. You're a VIP and you're going to make more commissions. Okay, when people sign up. $20 to $32 difference, okay? You're going to make anywhere from $20 to $32 per sign up. If you're a VIP, I recommend that. If you got the money. If not, just sign up for $60 now plus $19.97. So what is that? $79.97. Come aboard. I recommend you do it now, though, because we have 29 days left before the pre-launch is ready, set, go. And the whole world's going to know about this. My deals. This is where you go in. Okay? Oh, restart. Oh, I forgot to refresh my screen. Okay, there we go. You can put in pizza, Costco. You can tickets, eat, play, shop, travel, automotive, beauty, everything, guys. If you want a lift to the airport and get a hotel to party on the strip, we'll lift, airline tickets, hotel, entertainment, everything. Okay? I'm talking even Walmart. I love Walmart. I go there all the time. All right, pizza, car washes, everything. There's going to be 1 to 2 million companies, services worldwide. You live in Fiji, France, Florida, up in Canada, down below in Mexico, UK, Asia, Africa. Come on now. All right, everyone is going to love this. I really believe so. I get excited every time I'm on this page because I just want to sit here for an hour and screw off and check out all the deals. Okay, Ford, $4,900 off. Go get a Subway sandwich. Head on over to Universal Studios and party all day. All right, then the next day, all right, your wife goes build a deck. Go to Home Depot, pick up some stuff. All right, go get some flowers for Mom. It's Mother's Day soon. Okay, I think right here, isn't there Mother? Yeah, there it is. Rose Farmers, get some roses, get some berries. And remember, when you put in, see my 84120, okay, that's my zip. And right now, it shows me a lot of local deals too. It's just not big national companies. It's little ones too, like my friend's tanning salon's in there. My friend's car wash is in there. Okay. So remember, my deals, my info, it's just my info. Order history. If you buy something, it's all logged in there. My team, it's all the people that have joined me already. My referrals, it's the email, contact information of people that have pre-enrolled or joined. Leaderboard. It's kind of fun. I think out of the whole world right now, your boy here dressed in yeller. I don't know what I am. Let me hit refresh. Where am I? Okay, I'm number 17. All right, do you see that? Look at that. I got 41 people already signed up in just 8 days. Okay, and then you go to contact and my earnings. Okay, now if you join, be sure to hit my earnings. Okay, and I'll show you the page. Hit select your payment. You need to make your bank kind of in cahoots with this. So every Friday when we get paid, they can transfer the money to you. Or if you want to buy something, obviously your debit or credit card's on file. Okay. My websites, right now, you got all you need, guys. There's 2 websites right there. It'll talk about the main opportunity. And here, the Powerline landing page, this is where people can join as affiliates. Guys, please just use this link here. Okay? Because what I did, and you can see, I went to GoDaddy. I bought ilovesaveclub.com. I forward it to the capture page. That way you can watch the video of Charles talking. You can put your information in. All right? You can go find deals. Save money. You don't have to wait to earn money. You can save money too. Okay? All right. Now, contact us if you have any problems, okay, or questions. They're not shy. 3 times they've answered me today, their customer support. Save Club, see that? Support at saveclub.com. Okay, guys, and then at the bottom of your cell phone or this page, you're going to see pay plan. Okay? We get paid 5 ways if you're an affiliate. So spend $60, get that $19.97 out for the month. 5 ways we get paid as affiliates, and it's on the membership side. Remember, you don't buy products or any type of nonsense like that. This is all digital, guys. This is where you're going to save money. You're going to help people save money. And when they join for $60 in $19.97, I'm going to make anywhere from $20 to $32 real quick. That's just, I get that every Friday. Okay, I've already made $800 in a week. I'm already on pace with $32,000 to $4,000. Guys, I have barely even started. See the statistics here? Okay, and like I said, whatever I'm doing, it just seems to work. But let me just draw up my stats. Okay, let me see if I can find it here. Okay, where in the heck am I? I got to log in. Oh, hold on, guys. Statistics. Okay, there it is. I'm sorry. Okay, you can see I officially started promoting this Thursday. Okay, so exactly a week ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Today is number 8. You can see just afternoon here, a couple minutes after, let's see, I've got 923 web hits. That means someone has clicked throughout my website 923 times. Now that could be 9 people clicking 100 times or 100 people clicking 9, but the higher number I get, I'm always going to get some pre-enrolled. And that's where people just go to the Save Club tour. All right, and they just sit back and go, hey, you know what? I'm going to watch the video. I'm going to put my name in, see what Cory's talking about. And then look, I had 5 people upgrade already. That's awesome. Look at that. 6 people, 5, 5, 4. Yesterday I had 4. Let's see, I got 5. What is today? Thursday. Yeah, it's May Day, duh. All right, I got 5 already. And by tonight, I might have 6 or 7. So thank you. If you're one of the folks that signed up with me, thank you for the $20. And I'm going to send you an email of exactly what I do every day so I can get these type of numbers. Get on the leaderboard already. Okay? So anyway, this is kind of a back office tour. Is this a scam? Is it legit? Yes. Do you think Walmart, Ford, Progressive, Travelers, all right, Upside, HelloFresh, look at all these, Ford, do you think I got a few $1 trillion? What about Costco, one of the biggest success stories in America? All right, Universal Studios, Disney, look at this, Alamo. Oh my God, you guys. And just, if you want, hit that little menu right there. And you just, oh my God, you can go all over the world. Okay, I live in Salt Lake City, so that's the zip code that I put in. Okay, but you can put a zip code in somewhere you're going to, like if I'm going to France. Check it out. What deals are over there? See what flights and hotels you can stay at. But I think you get it. Okay, you just want to save money. If you're going to spend $20 a month, why not save 50 to 100, maybe even more than that on things that you're already buying? Okay, I think this is very easy. So far, so good. I'm having a great time promoting this. I have a lot of people emailing me and asking me, how do I promote? And what I do is I just recommend they go to my YouTube channel. Okay, where is it? Right there. And I have a link to this right below the video. Okay, YouTube. My username is Cory, middle initial J, Draper. And that's my middle name, actually, the letter J. Kind of cool. Okay, and then the video. Boom. You can see all my videos right here. I do an insane amount. Okay, there's the playlist, and I'll show you just on my YouTube channel alone. Do you see where it says Save Club? Look, I've already made 38 videos in a week. Okay, I think that a lot of people prefer watching short little videos. And like I said, some of mine are 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Looks like this one's about a 15-minute one. But the more money, the more videos I make, the more potential moolah I can make. Okay. And I think that if you do the same thing and make it fun, don't make posting a chore. If you don't like video, don't worry about it. Let's use videos already made. Okay. Do you like to contact people? Do you want them to contact you? You want people to contact you and say, hey, Cory, I want to save money, but I want to earn money. What's that affiliate link? How you doing it, kid? And I'm like, you just relax. Okay. I do anywhere from 3 to 7, sometimes a lot more video than that even. Okay. So if you join me, thank you. I'm going to send you a nice email of everything that I do and welcome you aboard. And, thanks for the $20 too. And let's get you in as an affiliate. Okay. I know being a member is pretty cool. $20 to save 100. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay. The potential's there. You just got to search around and see what's on the deal page. Okay. I love saveclub.com. Say it out loud. I love saveclub.com, mofo. Me too. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Email me if you need something. I'm not shy. And peace and love from your boy that wears a lot of yellow. And if I pee my pants, you can't even tell. I just did, look. Or did I? All right, now I got to go to Walmart and buy some baby wipes. Hope I can save some money on Save Club. All right, guys, take care. And thank you for putting up with my smart assness. Thank you very little. Okay, bye.